Hi guys, welcome back to another wheels and stuff video. This one's a quick one to cover jacking points. As you can see, this jack that comes with the car has a little round thing on there. You can't really use like a trolley jack and jack it up because you probably damage the sill. There's this plastic cover underneath. I'll just flip the camera around. That thing there, I think there should be a cover on this piece of plastic as well, but there isn't. But underneath you'll find this, and that fits on the jack of the car. What I've done is, I'll just flip back to the other camera, is basically I've bought some of these pucks and they sit in the trolley jack. I'm not going to be using that today, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link for these in the description below. The diameter is about 7 centimeters, and that literally sits inside that little kind of half circle shaped cylindrical thing, like this. Right, so basically the way it'd go in is it'd go in, see the circle there, that would basically sit inside there, and then your trolley jack, the lifting part, this would sit in, this puck would, and this is what it looks like once it's sitting in there, so it doesn't damage the sill underneath. But we're not using that. We're not using the trolley jack. We're just going to quickly use this, and that is going to go in there. That little round thing that will go in there, and then we'll be able to lift the car up and take this off, so I can see if this wheel has a crack or if the tyre has a puncture. You should probably remove this trim as well. There are two clips basically. There's one there and one there. So you want to pull that down, and then you want to pull the whole thing forward like this, so it'd be, and be careful because if it's jammed it will just suddenly come loose like it did with me, and you just pull it out like that. So now you can put the jack in, so when you wind up the jack, it doesn't damage the actual sill. Right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment and hit the subscribe button if you want to see any more videos. See you on the next one.